Blender is a very important and essential instrument to make house kitchen job easy. So, the common question is that what are the best household blenders? We made a list of the top 5 best blenders for home use. Smile and feel happy as we present to you the best household blenders fitted with top-notch technological devices that can make the art of cooking and being involved in the kitchen process an awesome experience. There are many products available to choose from best household blender, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best household blender from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. Are you looking for that top-notch quality blender? Well, here it is on a platter. The E310 Explorian Blender from the Vitamix brand is a household blender with features that can suit any home, whether luxurious home setting or a standard one. It was manufactured in Cleveland, Ohio, USA, and was officially launched into the market sphere on the 31st of August 2017. It is tastefully designed and usually comes in black color. It is used to blend fruit smoothly till it's got to a soft fine texture, vegetables, nuts, and more. It offers you a healthy means of preparing your diet. Whatever your needs may be, the Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender covers all. It possesses a remarkable 10-speed control setting option. This 10-speed control option is basically built in to suit the demand of the user. It is utterly possible to have full control of your blending rate with just a touch of a button. Our aircraft-grade stainless steel blades are designed to handle the toughest ingredients, so from the first blend to the last, you get the same quality results. Cord length: 4.5 feet. Self-cleaning. With a drop of dish soap and warm water, your Vitamix machine can clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds. What's in the box? Motor base, 48 ounces container, mini tamper, cookbook. Design feature: radial cooling fan and thermal protection system. This gives the user perfect and absolute control of the system. Number 2. Oster Blender Pro 1200 with glass jar. Step into the next level of blending with the Oster Blender Pro 1200. You can make a wide variety of sweet, fresh, and mouth-watering consumables at ease with this amazing technologically enhanced high-performance blender. It possesses 7-speed setting control options. The smart options have been fitted to help user have absolute control of his or her blending. It also has 3 pre-programmed settings for better functionality without requiring much labor force. Its inbuilt smart technology detects the content you want to blend and automatically adjusts its functions to suit your needs. Its blades can rotate in a clockwise and anti-clockwise motion. This dual-directional movement makes it more efficient in blending to cut and grind with accuracy. The size of the stainless steel blades is 3.53. With this, the system allows for quick blending with a smoother texture. Its crushing power is top-notch. It can crush any hard substances been thrown at it. It can break down ice blocks and frozen substances to a simple state. With just the right pre-programmed settings and speed level, you can crush, stir, liquefy, puree, and mix substances to your preference. The steel of this blender is quite unbreakable and unbelievable, as light as a feather, which is the perfect state for making smooth fine texture quality delicious drinks for self, family, and friends. Number 3. Blendtec Total Classic Original Blender. The Blendtec brand is an original blender producing brand that came into existence about 25 years ago. It has a reputation of being a top-quality iconic original brand. The new and improved product of Blendtec is the Total Classic Original Blender, which was first made available in the market sphere on the 12th of October 2011. This new and improved Blendtec brand blender is tastefully finished and has a classic touch style in its sleek design. It is a very lightweight blender that can be easily moved around and doesn't occupy much space in your home. A one-touch blending functionality is a present feature in this unique blender. You can do whatever you desire with just a click of a button. It also has a system-based programmed feature. Its large jar container can blend beverages which can be served to about 6 people at a go. This blender is durable and well built thanks to its stainless steel frame and blades, which are 10 times stronger than other blending blades. But despite its strong tensile strength, it is worth noting that this grade of stainless steel blades is not sharp like the conventional steel blades found in other blenders. Not possessing sharp stainless steel blades makes sure your ingredient. Number 4. NutriBullet CNBF 30500C Blender. This is an exceptional product from the NutriBullet Blender brand. It adds beautiful scenery to your kitchen with its wonderful architectural design. The power of this blender is sufficient enough to blend anything from soft to hard. For any smoothies that you can think of, this blender has you covered, as its versatile functionality is a touch of class. Blend like a boss, as you manipulate and totally control your blender with just a touch of a button at your convenience. This blender consists of 3 speed control options with the addition of a pulse feature. You could just use these functions to blend and enjoy a delicious smoothie that you love. Fret not about the state of your blender because its durability is top-notch. It is made up of plastic material, so the tendency of it getting broken or easily spoiled is on a minimal level. It is safe and healthy, and also BPA-free. The pitchers and cups are made of plastic also, so their durability is certain. This blender should be your choice whether you desire to blend for yourself or family and friends. The 64 ounces can cover multiple servings, and the NutriBullet cups can cover you if you intend to savor the delicious taste of a smoothie. Number 5. Vitamix Ascent Series Smart Blender. The Vitamix Ascent Series Smart Blender comes with a touchscreen feature. Now that is something you can't find easily in the market sphere. The touchscreen feature just makes everything so easy and smooth. Surprisingly, it comes with an inbuilt wireless connectivity feature. Based on this feature, the blender can automatically detect the container jar you are using and automatically adjust its settings to suit whatever you are blending, without needing to set an option, and determine the time range for the product to reach its final phase results. Amazing, right? But that is not all. This blender comes with an inbuilt automatic timer. You can set time on your blender for the product you are about to blend. Once the time is set, you can simply go and relax or multitask, because the smart timer of this unique blender will automatically go off once the blending time has been reached. This unique feature ensures that nothing is overprocessed or underprocessed. 5 programmable setting options are available on the Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender. There for smoothies. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.